Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make a super simple, very amazing dish you can serve at parties. It is a roasted goat leg. So let's get started on how to make the marinade for it. First, we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and we're just gonna go ahead and add that to the bowl. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our dry spices. So we're gonna start with half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, as well as 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm going to go ahead and add them all inside our yogurt, and this is going to give it a very fragrant flavor. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and just mix those spices up really well. Make sure it really gets incorporated into the yogurt. And now we're gonna go ahead and get our goat leg. On a oven safe rack, you're gonna go ahead and place aluminum foil on it, and we're gonna take 1 kilogram or 2 pounds of goat leg, and we're just gonna wash it with some lemon, vinegar, salt, and water. It's not shown here, but you should do that. And then we're gonna go ahead and dry the meat with paper towels on both sides to get off any excess liquids. And now we're gonna go ahead and add our prepared spices that we have. We made these little slits inside on top of the goat so that all the flavor can go ahead and get deep within the goat, and when you serve any piece of the goat, every piece will be flavorful. Now go ahead and flip it on the other side and just use that spatula and go ahead and coat the entire thing as well as in between the slits. Now you're gonna go ahead and just massage all those spices into the goat leg. This will really push the flavor all around the meat so that every bite that you take will be very flavorful. Now we're going to take some garlic cloves and just put 1 or 2 garlic cloves in each one of the slits that you made. And go ahead and do it on the back too if you made slits on the back. We went ahead and added some green chilies as well to put inside the slits. And don't worry about the mess on the aluminum foil, all that is just flavor. Now we're going to take some olive oil and just drizzle it on top of the goat leg before we put it in the oven. Oh yes, also we're going to add some fresh lemon on top, and we're going to go ahead and have it bake right up against the goat leg so that the flavor of the lemon is also incorporated in it. And now we're adding a super secret ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of Shan Tikka masala. And we're just going to coat the top of it with it. Now go ahead and wrap it in aluminum foil and let it marinate overnight for the best results. You really want to give this time for the flavors to really develop. Now you're going to go ahead and bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius for 30 more minutes. Now your goat leg is ready to serve. You can go ahead and put a little salad on the side, but it tasted absolutely delicious. It's great for parties where everybody can just dig in and grab their own piece. It serves about 4 people, but it could end up serving less if you grab extra portions. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like the video and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys have a good one. Take care.